Let's make a delicious, healthy Asian cucumber salad recipe. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. First, we slice 2 English or hothouse cucumbers into uniform pieces. You can do this by hand, but today I'm using a really fun device. It's the KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer attachment. It attaches to any KitchenAid stand mixer and it spiralizes produce as well as creating perfectly uniform slices. I recently did a review and tutorial on this spiralizer, which I have linked in the description in case you want to learn more about it. I've also linked the spiralizer and all the other products I'm using today in the description in case you want to explore those. Now, let's use the small core slicing blade. Let's uniformly slice the cucumbers. Now, you can leave them in groupings of spirals just like this for a really elevated presentation, but today we're going to cut them straight down the middle to make uniform individual half slices. Let's add these to a large bowl. Now add in 2 tablespoons of minced fresh ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, 5 green onions, finely sliced, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. Optionally, you can also add in 1 teaspoon of sriracha if you like it spicy. Now, mix it all until fully combined. This looks so delicious, but how does it taste? This is so good. The fresh ginger, the fresh garlic just takes it over the top and elevates it. It is so refreshing and delicious. One really interesting benefit from having each slice be of uniform thickness, it just sort of tastes better. Everything absorbs a little bit better, I feel. Thicker cut cucumbers are awesome, and I love those too. But there's something lovely about these delicate pieces that still have this wonderful crunch to them. The uniform slicing just does something wonderful to the taste for me. And this is just a lovely meal to meal prep because it's gonna be good for at least 3 days. And as it continues to marinate in the juices, it's gonna bring out the flavor even more. I will leave a link to the full recipe in the description. I will also leave a link to the KitchenAid spiralizer attachment and all the other products I'm using today in case you want to explore them. For more recipes and reviews and my fun food and travel series, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen. I'll see you on the next one.